Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll delve into 6 unique side hustles, each potentially bringing in thousands of dollars per month. These opportunities don't require specialized skills, degrees, or investments, making them accessible to almost everyone. Stay until the end to hear number 6, as you will be very surprised by it, and it's the easiest way out of all these. Please subscribe, like, and share our content if you haven't already. Without further ado, let's explore these extraordinary side hustles in greater detail. 1. Happy birthday, video creator. In our fast-paced digital world, personalized video greetings have become a popular way to celebrate birthdays and other special occasions. By creating customized happy birthday videos, you can tap into this growing market and offer clients a memorable way to share their well wishes. To succeed as a birthday video creator, focus on originality and creativity. You could incorporate different themes, characters, or animation styles to make your videos stand out. Additionally, consider offering options for clients to include personal photos, messages, or inside jokes in the videos. Advertise your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and use social media channels to showcase your work and attract potential clients. 2. Sleep product reviewer. The sleep industry is booming, with companies continually developing and launching innovative sleep-related products. These businesses often seek sleep product reviewers and study participants to test their products and provide valuable feedback. Participating in sleep studies or reviewing sleep products can be a relaxing and lucrative side hustle. To find such opportunities, regularly visit websites like Sleep Junkie, Each Night, and sleep-related forums. Additionally, consider reaching out to sleep product companies and offering your services as a tester or reviewer. Once you've built a reputation, you may be able to work with multiple companies and secure ongoing gigs. 3. Virtual babysitter. Virtual babysitting is an emerging side hustle that caters to the increasing number of remote working parents. As a virtual babysitter, you can provide caregiver support from the comfort of your home, connecting with families worldwide through video calls. To excel as a virtual babysitter, develop a range of age-appropriate activities that can be easily adapted to an online format. These may include storytelling, educational games, arts and crafts, or even online scavenger hunts. Enhance your service offerings by acquiring new skills, such as learning a foreign language or mastering a musical instrument, which can be taught to children during your virtual sessions. Advertise your services on websites like virtualbabysittersclub.com, care.com, or SitterCity, and build a strong online presence to attract clients. 4. ASMR content creator. ASMR, Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a rapidly growing niche in the content creation sphere. ASMR content creators produce videos or live streams that trigger relaxation and tingling sensations in viewers through specific sounds and visuals. To become a successful ASMR content creator, research the various ASMR triggers, e.g., whispering, tapping, or crinkling, and experiment with different techniques to develop a unique style. Invest in high-quality audio and video equipment to ensure your content is professional and immersive. Consistently upload content to platforms like YouTube and TikTok, and engage with your audience through comments and social media. Collaborate with other ASMR creators and participate in online ASMR communities to increase your visibility and grow your following. 5. Empathetic listener. In today's fast-paced world, there is a growing demand for empathetic listeners, individuals who can provide a non-judgmental, supportive ear to those going through difficult times. This side hustle is an opportunity to make a positive impact on someone's life while earning up to $60 an hour. To excel as an empathetic listener, develop strong active listening and communication skills. Build a calming and supportive online presence, and create a safe space for clients to share their thoughts and emotions. Offer your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr or through social media, and establish boundaries to protect your personal information, e.g., using a Google Voice number for texting. Consider taking courses in counseling or psychology to enhance your skills and credibility. Remember, your primary role is to listen and empathize, not to provide therapy or solve problems. 6. Stool donor. Though unconventional, donating stool samples can be a financially rewarding side hustle. Companies like Human Micro and Good Nature require healthy stool samples for fecal transplants and medical research. By becoming a stool donor, you can contribute to life-saving treatments and earn up to $1,500 per month. To become a successful stool donor, research the various companies and their specific requirements for donors. These typically include being in good health, physically fit, and free of certain medical conditions. Maintain a healthy lifestyle, eat a balanced diet, and exercise regularly to ensure you meet the donor criteria. Understand the donation process, which usually involves collecting your stool in a sterile container, storing it on dry ice, and shipping it to the designated company. While this side hustle may not be for everyone, it's an unconventional way to earn money while contributing to medical advancements. In conclusion, these 6 exceptional side hustles offer diverse opportunities to earn a substantial income without the need for specialized skills, degrees, or investments. By exploring these unconventional avenues, you can find a side hustle that aligns with your interests and strengths, paving the way for financial success. Please let us know in the comments which of these side hustles you're most interested in trying. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.